Hello, my name is Mohamed Elsebaay. Today I'm talking about types of chemical reactions. The first question that comes to your mind, what even is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances are converted to one or more different substances. Like the rust of metals, the digestion of food in your stomach, photosynthesis process in plants, the baking of a cake, fireworks, and the use of a battery. All of these are examples of different types of chemical reactions. There are 5 types of chemical reactions. The first type is synthesis. It is a type of chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine and form one compound. And here are some common examples of synthesis reactions. The most common example of synthesis is the combination of sodium and chlorine to form sodium chloride, which is table salt. Second type of chemical reaction is decomposition, and decomposition is a reaction in which one compound breaks down and forms two or more substances. And here are some examples of decomposition reactions. The third type of chemical reaction is single replacement, and single replacement is a reaction in which one element replaces another element in a compound. And here are some common examples of single replacement. Fourth type is double replacement, and it is a reaction in which the negative ions in two compounds switch places, forming two new compounds. And here are also some examples of double replacement reactions. The fifth and last type of chemical reaction is combustion, and it is a chemical reaction in which a substance combines with oxygen and releases energy. And the most common combustion reaction that we use every day is burning, even if the burning of fuel. And these are also examples of combustion reactions. A new question is created in your mind, which is how do even chemical reactions happen? First, atoms separate when bonds between them is broken. Then they start to rearrange in different places. Then new bonds between atoms are formed. During this process, some energy are released and some are absorbed. There are exothermic reactions and also endothermic reactions. Exothermic reaction is a reaction that releases energy more than it absorbs. The second type is endothermic, and it is a reaction that absorbs energy more than it releases. Now you know what is a chemical reaction and some examples. Second, you know types of chemical reactions according to the arrangement of atoms and molecules. The third thing you learned is how a chemical reaction happens. And the last thing you learned is types of chemical reactions according to energy usage. And here is an interesting chemical reaction. First, the guy added baking soda to the funnel. Then he adds vinegar to it. Then he puts the balloon on it. And surprisingly, the balloon is blown.